Hi there, Rich here from Enhance. Just a quick walkthrough of this 2011 Mercedes SLS that we've just had in to fit Apple CarPlay to. So inside this particular vehicle, because of the age of the car, it has the older NTG4 system. Obviously we've put Apple CarPlay into this, so it retains all factory control, as well as now the ability to use the original scroll wheel just down here, but you get full Apple CarPlay. So you'll get phone, let me zoom in there, phone, Waze, Maps, Google Maps, WhatsApp, all the benefits of having Apple CarPlay that a modern vehicle would have. Obviously if you're interested in having this fitted to your particular vehicle, or you've got inquiries about any other audio or security, please give us a call on 01622 737393. Thank you.